Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys the coupons to print and what I got in my inserts. They had some Gliss coupons. A lot of you guys probably already got these, but I did not get them. We got $2 off of Windsor, Airwick. I never get those coupons either in both coupons that I order and I get at my house. So we got $1 off Airwick, $4 off of 2 Gliss. This is a good coupon. $1 off of 2 Kellogg's. We have $2 off the Airwick Fresh-O-Matic kit. We have $1.50 off the refill. We have $1.50 off the scented oil starter. And then we have, I think this is already an old one, but I just somehow printed it off anyways, but with that. And then here is what I have in my Smart Source insert. We're only getting one. It's an okay insert. So I got some Dole frozen bags of fruit. $1 off of 3 General Mills. $1 off of 10 Yoplait, 75 cents off of 3 Hamburger Helper. We got 50 cents off of 2 General Mills, Betty Crocker, whatever, gummies, Fiber One. We got a Poison Preza sizing kit. You guys could actually send this in and they'll probably send you a whole free sample plus some coupons if you guys want to get something free in the mail. Actually, no, it looks like you buy it, and then you'll get a mail-in rebate with your money back. Okay, so there's that. We got Glade, $2 off the car starter kit, and then the plugins, buy one, get one free. Dollar General, Sargento cheese, Ocean products, which I'm not, it's a saline spray. We got Dymo labeling machine and maker. That's kind of cool. I never really seen anything like that. Velveeta, 50 cents off Jolly Time. Windsor, I've been starting to get these coupons, which is nice. So we got that. And then I actually did get the Gliss. I'm just blind, but if you guys don't get that, I sometimes do and sometimes I don't. $1 off of Connie's Pizza. I actually really like that pizza. 50 cents off of Werther's Original Sugar Free. We got $1 off Dole, any 2 Dole packages. Nabisco, I love this coupon. I use it all the time. I don't know if you guys have Kemp's, but we got Kemp's cottage cheese and cottage cheese singles. Labels. Nice necklace. Ooh, look at those pants. Blair No Iron pants. Snazzy. Checks. Free from Harbor Freight. We got $1 off of 2 Dreamfields noodles, and then some more nasal spray stuff. A 3-season jacket. That's a good price. Nope, not really. We got Gain, but look at those coupons. Nice coupons. Yeah, right. And then we got Wet n Wild. There are coupons that you guys can print off. I think it's Smart Source. You guys can print those off. And if you do it incognito mode, you can print off more. So there's those. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.